Sorkar TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri kide ki top medical colleges bat ru hakador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ka Agatha K. Sangma kalapan jingerap nau Menteri Rangba Kajelau Konrad K. Sangma bat nau Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba poleng do bantuklar lem na kabentaban wanra ya ka Standard Operating Procedure ka ba pentikena ya ka Ïada bat ka jingsngan jong ki Khynnah ki ba Leit sya ki jella ba per jong ka ri. Ha ka jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor ka Agatha kalayatu ba ka commission kala ajing mut sya ka Sorkar ba daiban donno da ka SOP ka ba Ïada ya ki Khynnah ki ba layalam da ki reu shimen lani da ki no ki kenhon syabar jong ka jella hadien balami ki jingja ba sngosi dang syen.
Basically, this meeting was about I had to submit a few memorandums to him. One was regarding creating more green spaces for children, more recreational spaces for children in our towns. This was something which was taken up by my by the previous chairperson, Madam Wan, and I have decided to take it forward. So I've met our Honourable Chief Minister, I've met Mr. Kylleng today regarding the creation of better green spaces for children in our towns and cities in Meghalaya. Secondly, also, we recently had a meeting with the various departments like education, police, law, health, regarding creating a sort of an SOP so that children who are going to go to other parts of the country or are being taken either by individuals or by, say, organizations, there has to be a certain SOP they follow before these children are taken. Because many a times children are being taken, the government is not even aware about it, and only when something terrible happens, we get to know about it. So we need to prevent it by making sure that the situation is such that we are fully aware where these children are, what kind of conditions they are living in, and what kind of institutes they are being sent to. Are they legal institutes, or even the hostels, are they legally set up? So this was a meeting we had a few weeks ago, or I think a month ago, and we decided that an SOP should be created, and I came to brief our Honourable Minister, Mr. Kylleng, about that. Because we don't know, because they don't have any permissions they need to take, they don't need any SOPs as such prior taking to the children. So basically we don't have information on which are these organizations.
Now with the SOPs, ma'am, are there any actions?
It hasn't even happened. It's a suggestion by the Commission, by the Mscpcr, that we should have an SOP. And we took different departments on board, taking their suggestions on what type of an SOP should be created. And I hope that the government takes it forward and creates one. So once we have that SOP, then we will actually have, like you said, a list of institutes, because they will have to follow that SOP before they take children out.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra